Londyn. Thank you for getting us the Hello Kitty sodas. You're welcome. Now let's drink. Ella, don't drink your Hello Kitty soda too fast. That was so delicious in my tummy. Thank you for the... Ella, what was that? What was what? Oh no, Ella, you got the hiccups. I told you to not do it. How will we get rid of my pesky hiccups? I know. Let's ask Sakura and Dylan's mom so Sakura and Dylan's mom can find out. Our mom went to work. Don't worry, guys. I can get Ella water, but it won't be tap water. Here you go, Ella. Did they work? Oh, pickle onion juice. I thought that would literally work. How about we do something outside? Hey, Ella. When I get the hiccups, I started hopping on one leg that my mom told me to do. Hey, they're gone. How about you try holding your breath and hop on one leg? Oh, none of the hiccup cures work to get rid of my hiccups. And I think I'm going to be hiccuping for the rest of the day. Wait, I got an idea. Look at my hand very closely. Very closely and... Boom! Londyn, why would you scare me? To get rid of your hiccups. My hiccups are gone. Yay! Now we can go to the park.